Hi, good morning, friends. I know you are ready when your ears are listening, your eyes are on me, and your voices are off. You want to catch that bubble together? All right, three, two, one. Oh, good job, friends. All right, does anyone remember what I asked you this morning? I asked you about your favorite, not animal, your favorite color. Yes. I asked my friends about their favorite colors, and we all had lots and lots of answers. This morning, when I asked favorite colors, I heard green and blue and orange and yellow and red and purple. I had some friends say rainbow. There were lots and lots of colors I heard this morning. But for activity today, I could only choose 3 colors. So I listened to all your answers and I counted them and I picked the 3 that were the most popular. That means the 3 colors that the most friends said was their favorite. So those colors today were first, what color is this? Blue. That second color was red. And the third color was, yes, yellow. Good job. So for our activity today, we're going to be using blue, yellow, and red. I know some of our favorite colors aren't here right now, but can we do this activity again another day? Yeah, we definitely can. And we can even do it for the holidays. Like when Miss Alex thinks of Christmas, the colors I think of is red, green, and blue. So maybe when it's Christmas time, when it's winter, we could use those colors and give it a try. Yeah, we'll definitely do this activity again if you guys really like it. We can always do this again. But for today, with our blue, yellow, and red, we're going to mix them together. We're going to do a color mixing activity. We're going to mix them in water and see, do they make new colors when we put them together? What do you think? What do you think if I combine these colors together, if I put them in one cup and I mix it up, is it going to give us a new color or is it going to stay the same? I hear both. Yeah, some of us are saying it's going to stay the same, and some of us are saying it's going to be a new color, right? Yeah, let's give it a try. So, for our first cup of water, it's plain water, we're going to choose only 2 of these colors. We're going to mix 2 colors at a time. So, which one would you like to do first? Okay, I hear a lot of red, so red will be number 1. I need 1 more color between blue and yellow. We already have red. So blue or yellow. I hear most friends saying yellow. So we're going to do red and yellow first. We will use our blue very soon, okay? When mixing, Miss Alex is going to put these in because I don't want it to get on your fingers and stain. So Miss Alex is going to do the drops in. I'm going to do 2 drops of each. So 2 drops of red, 2 drops of yellow. Which one should I do first? What do we think? Red? Okay. I'm going to do 2 reds. Can you count with me? All right. 1. Oh, there goes. And 2. Stop. We did all our red. Now, how many of yellow do I need again? If we did 2 red, I need 1, 2 yellow. Perfect. All right, you want to count with me again? All right. 1, 2. Perfect. Now that I have 2 drops of red and 2 drops of yellow, we're going to mix it together. You ready? Mix, 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 mix. Do you see that color is changing? Yeah. What does that look like to you, friends? I hear some friends saying it still looks red, and it does a little bit. But it also looks orange, doesn't it? We're going to give it a try. I have a paintbrush. It doesn't work super well, but we're going to try painting on this paper a little bit. So, also, if you look right here, what color is my paintbrush at the end? Part I'm touching, not green, blue, you're right, and white. Let's see if this white changes. When I dip it in, it turned orange, didn't it? I just put that to the side, I don't want to spill it. And I have my paper. It's a little hard to see, but do you see what that color is turning? Orange, you're right. So, when we mix red and yellow together, we get a new color, and that new color is orange. Yes, good job. All right, we're gonna clean our brush so we can do some more mixing. Let's bring it back to that white color. All right, so we did our red and yellow, which makes orange. I want us to choose two new colors. So this was cup number one. We'll put them over here. This is cup number two. We have clear water again. All right, what's our first color gonna be? Okay, we're gonna do blue first this time. And then you choose one more. Do you want to do yellow or red? Yellow? Okay. We're gonna do blue and yellow. What color do you think these are gonna make? You think it's gonna make a new color just like the red and yellow did? You think it's gonna make orange again? We'll have to see, because if we mix red and yellow, it makes orange. If we mix blue and yellow, I think it's not gonna make orange, because we already did orange. I think blue and yellow is gonna make a different color. What do we think? Some friends are saying purple, some are saying green. Those are good guesses. All right, let's test it out. We're gonna start with, which one first? What color? Yellow first? Okay. Start our yellow. If we did 2 drops for the other one, we're gonna do 2 drops for this one too. You ready? 1, 2. Ooh, those went fast, didn't they? Whew. Okay. 2 drops of yellow and 2 drops of blue. 1, 2. The blue is very, very dark. All right, let's see. We have them here. Let's start mixing. What's that? It's very dark. It's kind of hard to tell, isn't it? This is when it's helpful for us to use our paintbrush because it's dark and it's kind of hard to tell. So let's wait, let's see. Let's get this paintbrush again. Remember, we put our paintbrush white. Back to white. Let's dip it in. Let's see. What color did that make? It looks green, doesn't it? I think you friends are right. We made a green. That is so exciting. Look at that. So, we found out that red and yellow make orange, blue and yellow make green. All right, now I have one more color. Let's see if we can do it. This one's left. I'm gonna help you with those colors. The last two is blue and red. What do we think it's gonna make? I hear some purple. I hear green again. I don't think it's gonna be green because remember we found out blue and yellow make green. So green is all done. Red and yellow make orange. Orange is all done. All done. So what is red and blue gonna make? I hear brown. Let's see. We're gonna do 2 drops of red. 1, 2. And the same thing for this blue. You ready? 1, 2. Perfect. All right, we're gonna do a little mixing. You ready? Clean off our spoon a little bit. All right, we're mixing. It looks very dark again, doesn't it? It's kind of hard to tell. So what are we gonna use to help us find out what color this is? We're gonna use that paintbrush, right? All right, get us a new paper because this one is all covered in our other paints. All right, get our paintbrush. It's back to white. We cleaned it, so now I dip, dip, dip. What color is that? It's very dark. It looks like a dark blue. It also looks a little purple to me. Let's see. Should we test it? Oh, I see purple, friends. Do you? Yes! We made purple. So, we found out that red and yellow make orange, blue and yellow make green, and red and blue make purple. Good job, friends. I'm so proud. you guys are gonna have a chance to mix a little bit on your own with me so we can make sure we're listening for our names. When I call your name, you're gonna come join me at our writing center. We'll do this activity together, all right? Okay, good job.